Alright guys, as you know, I put Nittos on my car, NT05Rs, and they're a summer tire. I don't know if you can see behind me, that also comes with summer. Like all that, that's just, that's not what I was planning for today. So there's some lightning and some thunder's coming soon. Yeah, we have a tornado warning out. So listen, this could go either one of two ways. I drive home as quickly as possible because I have these tires on and beat the storm, or we're about to see how the Nitto NT05 is acting in the rain. Stay tuned for this. Guys, we're losing time. We're losing time bad. This, oh my god, I wish I could hold up. See if I show you guys this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this looks like apocalypse right now. Like, this is straight, it's dark outside. I don't, you can see that behind me. You can see it like just there. Yeah, it's dark. Like, it's dark. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is not good. Oh boy. Okay. Gotta get home, we gotta get home, we gotta get home. We gotta get home, we gotta get home. These tires gotta grip the whole way home. No rain. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. People are about to get rained out over there. Come on. Oh guys, this is about to calm down. Come on, I gotta go home. Come on! Oh my gosh. Guys, it looks bad outside. It looks really bad outside. This is gonna be the first time I have to use snow wet. I didn't even use this mode in the rain, but using snow wet. Alright guys, we're getting on the highway. I'm gonna go. Yep, there we go. Yep. Yep. Yep, it's gonna be a bad drive, I can tell you that right now. Guys, so far, this is ridiculous. There's grass in the middle of the road. The side of the road's already starting to flood. I don't know if you can see that. My ETA to get home is like, it just went straight up, like a good 10 minutes up, just because it started raining. Oh, that was a big pothole. Yeah, the weather is very bad. And I don't know, my car is sliding. Like, I'm in snow wet and it's still sliding. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, because this weather is crazy. I can't feel the road. This is the first time I've ever been in this kind of situation with these tires in this car. You guys, wish me luck.
Police reported ahead.
Guys, update. I made it off the highway. That was not a good experience, and there was a tree on the side of the exit where I had to turn. But keep you guys updated. We're about to head into the suburbs. Alright guys, so I'm finally home. Only problem is I gotta get from where I am here inside my car to up there. It might not look like it's raining right now. Actually, it is raining. It's raining pretty decent. I also gotta get the mail, and I don't have an umbrella. It's gonna be fun. Okay, let's go. We made it, guys. We made it. This has been an adventure, but this is it. See you guys later.